becoming a Learning Factory sponsor, there's benefits everywhere. I think the biggest advantage to doing this is the teamwork that happens there. You know, you're looking at these students, you're working with them as a team. You can view it as a 3-month job interview with these students, that you really get to know them and they get to know you.
No, it's definitely better than an interview, and it's a lot less intensive than a co-op or an internship. I get to spend 15 weeks with from 4 to 7 students each semester, and you get to identify some really good talent, and that's a really good interview process. Much better than just looking at resumes.
Think about what it is that you're trying to accomplish, and then have a conversation with the people at the Learning Factory. They are there to help you. If you have some challenges on how to define the project you're not sure, come and ask them. They're there to be a resource, and they're extremely helpful. They will always be there to try to encourage people to join. There are also, if you have some concerns regarding, for example, the funding, there are also some mechanisms that they can try to leverage to help usually smaller companies to be able to provide the funding necessary to run the project. So, you see how many companies become repeated sponsors because they're seeing that benefit, they're seeing the value for them, and that's why they do it over and over again. I've been doing this for over 15 years, 3 different companies, and I will continue doing it as long as I can.